Okay, I think we can probably start. Chris, hello. One moment. I think I need to up my audio a little bit. Settings. Fuck, where's audio now? Keep moving things. Sound. Control panel. Recording. Microphone. No, not that one. This one. Let me just up my volume a little bit. Oh, hello. Hopefully that should be good. I am using my Rode mic. I went to the effort of moving it. Just for you. Just for you guys. So, let's actually, I'll up a bit more. There'll probably be a bit more static, but, or not static, but like background noise. But I think that's, dealable. So, let me hop on to there. Hello. I'm excited for this. It arrived. Okay, I've got two different web cameras to play around with. Oh, it's a bit awkward. But there you go. That's the case. Ooh. I'm actually quite excited for this. So, I guess I actually need to open the damn thing. I guess it's not really directional, is it? So, unboxing. Yep. Let me hop onto left close. I've actually gone through the effort and like set up all my OBS. I did it from scratch. Actually, one thing I need to do, I completely forgot. I need to add my alerts to all my screens. Add alert that. There you go. So if anyone does fall or anything, I can at least see. I can't hear it because I don't have any speakers plugged in or anything, but I can hear it. I think this case has been through the wars. Oh, come on, people. This is why you have nice, soft cell foam. Because people batter your case while it's in shipping. DPD, I'm not actually that impressed. I haven't had a package that's been this badly damaged by DPD in, well, ever. Like, normally it's at least decently, packaged and all that. Like, thank God, it's well put together in the first place, but yeah. Right then. Oh wow, that's really morphed that box. Hopefully it's okay. Wouldn't it be horrible if I set up all this stream and I'm so excited and it's literally just broken, like the glass is smashed or something? Right then. N-719, otherwise known as Deluxe 2, because Thermaltake of all people, who copy everyone and steal their names, decided it was too close to one of their brands. So, thanks for that, Thermaltake. I would have preferred to call this a Lux 2, but whatever. Right. I'm quite excited for what's in this little box, funnily enough. Because, if I remember correctly, it's got a little screw sorting tray. I know. I don't... That's my level of fun now. A screw sorting tray. Here you go. So, accessory kit. God, this cardboard doesn't want to just fold. There we go. N-719. That's actually quite nice. Ooh, full colour. Look at that, all colour. Ooh, I'm excited for this now. So, full colour warranty manual. Attention, for RMA requests, but technical support, customer service. Crap, no thanks. The second bracket for the second system. Ooh, that's actually quite nice. Even though it is a little bit... Yeah, I agree, it is a little bit flimsy, but... Yeah. For the price of the case, I won't complain. Right. I was tempted to wear headphones and put music on, however... I think that's... I don't really like, while I'm moving around and doing things, I don't like wearing headphones. So, And then, you've got... Yay! Oh, I love these. If you open them up, you have these little screw boxes. And they're all nice and neat and tidy. I need one of these. I don't have any. So I'm excited for that. Hard drive cages. Cool. You get 4 of those, which is exactly what... Well, I actually need 1 more, but... Nice. Actually, those are decent. Those feel like steel, actually, rather than aluminium. Those are quite hefty. But yeah, those just literally click onto each other. You can see there. You can push this little latch up. And it'll disconnect from the other drives. Cool, so I have all of those. We'll deal with those later, though. I'm not too sure. Is there only 1 pillbox, or is there 4? Is there 1 per hard drive? That'd be mad. That's a lot of screws. Oh my god, no. Wait. Oh no, okay. There is your... What are they actually? Oh, you've got some extra PCIe slot covers. Those actually look very similar to what I have in my Cooler Master case. Got some zip ties, and you have... I'm not too sure what that is actually. That's like a right angle. Maybe that's the anti-sag bracket or something. Unboxing ASMR. Oh. Ooh. No thank you. That one's empty, and that one's not empty. What's this one got? This one has a piece of plastic. I actually have no clue what that one is. It's got two little studs on it as well, with two screw holes on the end. Maybe for like the front housing or like front casing or something. Not too sure, but cool. That's all the info and stuff we need. How does everything look, by the way? Obviously, we're using the server to encode this because I'm going to be ripping my PC apart. Oh god, I hate getting big cases out of boxes. Sometimes I just wish that you could literally just pull the box apart and then you could just lift it up and out, but you can never do it. So, I hate doing this. So, let's... Oh god, it doesn't help this thing weighs a ton. Ooh, that didn't sound good. 1 minute. Oh, okay, I think there's just stuff in there. Or at least I'm hoping it, because that didn't sound very spicy. Let's put it that way. Yeah, I can't even lift it out by the closed cell foam. Actually, I think... Oh! This foam is either not full or it's broken. No, this foam around this side doesn't go all the way down. Interesting. No, I'm probably going to have to flip it over then. Oh, God, I hate this. Ow, my finger. Unboxing ASMR. Unboxing. Yeah, I was waiting for Odd, but I think he may be just busy. Okay, right, got it over one side. Ooh, that's not a good noise. Oh, it's really not a good noise. Oh, Jesus. Right, okay. I've got it upside down, though. Okay, let me do... Let me move this really far away. Ignore all the mess. Actually, I'm going to rotate that ever so slightly. It's not the greatest in here. I need to go for a big, like, cleaning session. Right. Box. That's a big-ass box. Right, then. This can go outside for now. Oh. Okay. Think he's just a lazy boy? Possibly. I mean, it is a couple of days after his birthday. I'll give him that. Right, okay, so... Doesn't say which side is up. Convenient enough. Conveniently enough. Can I feel what side is the top? That feels at the top. This feels like the bottom of it. Can I feel the feet? Feet. Actually, I'm not too sure now. I'm second guessing myself. That's the back. I can tell because there's a captive thumb screw. That feels like the front. Okay, I'm going to guess this side is the bottom. So, we'll go by that then. Let's move it along a bit. Oh no, I take it back. That's got a curved edge. I think this is the bottom. Oh no. Nope, that's the bottom. I can feel the feet now. I'm just stupid. Okay. Alright, there you go. Being very careful. Alright, look. Oh god, they put so much stuff in here without like packing it full of foam or anything. Oh, that was horrible. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, so far, I think Cooler Master did a better job of packaging. Because I didn't hear a giant rattling noise whenever I unboxed my last one. So, says a lot, that, doesn't it, really? I'm trying to get the casing away from the bottom of it. Haha! Alright, okay, let's rotate this around. Hey, the glass isn't smashed! Excellent! That is chunky! Holy moly! Oh, that is chunky. Oh, that's worrying. The glass side panel has actually come off. Oh, that's not a good sign. One of the fasteners for the glass panel's come off. It's bent. Oh my god, what the fuck has happened to this case in shipping? Okay, I'm not impressed by that. First of all, the panel. How do you even take this thing off? So what? There's a thumb screw on the front or something? But one minute, let me do the justice in this and show you what I mean. I need to take that camera off the stand. Right. Look at this. All of this has been bent to shit. Along with, you can see there, all the way up to here, it's just fallen off. The glass isn't tucked in at all. What the fuck? Come on, really? I'm not happy with however this has happened. That's all mangled. You can even see from the side that the frame has been absolutely disturbed. Thankfully, they've got foam padding, really thin stuff, on the edge. Thankfully. That's the only thing that saved this glass from shattering, I think, is this padding, so whenever this goes, it doesn't smash. I'm really not impressed by that. My Cooler Master case was absolutely sublime condition by comparison. You know what, this is the first time that I've ordered from Overclockers UK as well. Because Scan didn't have it, and I always buy from Scan just because I know how good they are. But no, this is the first time I buy from Overclockers UK, and so far I'm not particularly convinced. Because I've never had an item that's been like this from Scan. I'm going to have to bend the metal back into shape unless I want to send this thing back. I'm really not impressed. Right, okay then. It's even been dented. You can see where the actual protective film for the glass has been dented. Is there anywhere else on the case that's damaged without me knowing? The back panel seems warped. Not too sure if that's just because someone's laid it on its side, but it seems warped. Yeah, really not impressed. Oh my god! What the fuck? Wow. Okay, I'm surprised this case is delivery issues. Yeah, but I've never had that with Scan. And this is with DPD. So, you know, it's not good enough to just say it's delivery issues. Whoever's fault it is, I'm really not happy with it. How do you even take this bloody side panel off? Okay. Has been safely secured for transport. Please follow the steps to open the chassis. Oh, okay. So I need to unscrew the back cap for the top. Oh, they're captive. Okay. You know what? Oh, I'm going to try and give it the clearest of mind, but I'm really not happy with that. That's mangled. That's not even like the only thing that could have been worse is if the glass was smashed. Thank heavens that's not happened. The rest of the case seems okay. Seems. will be the imperative word in that sentence. Okay, what are we doing next? We're moving up the front of the case. I'll give it to them. At least know how to make a good case in terms of taking it apart. Hi Lucas, welcome to the stream. Don't mind me, my case has been mangled in shipping and I'm quite angry about it. Oh my god. Yeah, the only thing that saved this from not breaking was that captive thumb screw they put on the front. Alright, let's get this glass off of here so we can fix it. Oh my god! What the fuck? That's really upsetting actually. Yeah, that's really upsetting. That's fucking stupid. I don't even know. I don't even know. Not me. That'd be fucking Superman to mangle a case like that. I couldn't even think of repairing it. These are all the all the SSD mounts. No wonder they were clanging around inside, because someone decided to make a fucking hurricane inside my case. No, that's completely mangled. I can't even unscrew this screw. It's mangled that badly. Look at this. Oh my god, the gash. Look at that. What the fuck? This is so mangled, even with a pair of, pliers, I couldn't push it back together. I'm gonna check the box. Is it that badly mangled? Actually, would you not say that has been punctured. Someone has stabbed this damn case. I'm really, really not impressed. Someone has gone out of their way to break this damn thing. That's how damaged it is. Even the top filter isn't in place. That's magnetic, thank God. I thought it was just the glass had come off on the side and I was going to be a bit annoyed, but on the back was going to be a bit screwed up, but that's unforgivable. Oh, I'm really pissed off now. That's fucking stupid. Hi, Cece. Smashed it with a crowbar. It does seem like they've stabbed it with some kind of very strong, like, steel pole or something. Or it's been placed down on something. And then something's been put on top of it, pushing it down on top of whatever steel crap they had below it. Well, I can't build with it. That's impossible. I can't. There's no magic that I can wear or make to do that. That's just... I can't even push it down. Like, that is thoroughly mangled. The back's all out of shape. Ugh, no. Maybe with like an hour and a pair of pliers I could mangle this back into shape. But that's not my responsibility. It's theirs when I pay them to deliver me a damn product in a way that isn't absolutely dead. God, the air filter's mangled as well. It doesn't even want to come out. Okay, at least that's fine, because it's plastic. But look at that. As far as I'm aware, computer cases should be flat along the bottom, not like that. I'm going to take this out so I can see the full extent of how fucked up they've managed to make this. It mangled it in a way that makes the thumb screw very difficult to undo. Right, got it. That was once flat sheet steel. But now it's twisted, mangled. It's even got a fucking right angle on it and it's still managed to get absolutely destroyed. And look at that. That's just abominable. I'm really unhappy with that. Actually, even if I did want to just take it and fix it, the metal snapped. It snapped. They've fucking broken it hard enough to snap the metal. It's held on just by it being compressed. Yeah, no, I'm really pissed off by that. That's just wrong. I don't give a shit who did it. I want a new case. Yeah. Back frame is bent. The bottom is completely trashed. In the camera, the case doesn't even look square anymore. No, it's not. The paint's damaged. Just had a big scratch. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, CC. It looks like... I think there's been a very sharp object underneath that's been quite tall. They've placed it on top in a warehouse or something. Gone like that. It stabbed it in the bottom, down there, and then they put something heavy on top of it. Maybe it was in the bottom of a stack or something. And then, hey presto, that's completely mangled when they put something really heavy on top. Such a strong bend just placed on top of something. Yeah, true. I mean, even if it did have something very heavy on top, I don't even think that you could achieve that kind of thing. Yeah, I'm going to have to call the seller, because this is just ridiculous. So, thanks for watching. I apologise that it wasn't a longer stream. fuck either DPD or overclockers. I'm not impressed with either. Mainly because overclockers withheld actually dispatching it until like a day later. Like the colour, if you get the black one exchange. I like the colour. I just don't like that it's not a case anymore. You could put a motherboard in it, but good luck putting anything on the bottom. Couldn't put a second system in here, because that actually, thank God that they don't include that one by standard. That's the second system mount. At least that one's okay. But no, that's ridiculous. I want one shipped out, like, before I even send this one back. Yeah, no, I'm not happy with that at all. Right, okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I apologise. In fact, no, I don't apologise at all. Apologies on behalf of DPD and Overclockers UK. Apologies on behalf of them. It isn't my fucking fault that my case has been absolutely destroyed before I can even get my hands on it. It would be funny if they said, oh, no, it's your fault. You've broken the case. Even in my wildest dreams, I can't mangle a case like that. That's fucking steel. With my full body weight, I can't even unbend it. It's just... Oh. No. Okay, that hurts. Actually, it hurts so much, they left lines in my hand. So, yes. Fuck them. So, I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully, or maybe even later today, to make up for this stream, I'll probably stream on my main PC, which is still the way it was before, because... Okay, right. Bye, guys.